Hi, I'm Lana, and this video is on the immune system. The immune system's job is to fight off any particles that are unfamiliar to your body to keep a person from getting sick. However, sometimes the immune system will totally overreact, and harmless things like pollen will cause allergies. I'm very bitter about this. Here are a few of the major organs and tissues making up the immune system. First, we have the liver, responsible for removing bacteria from blood. Then there's bone marrow. One of its jobs is to produce blood cells. Your spleen is what filters your blood, and your tonsils catch the bacteria entering your throat. There's also things you've probably never heard of, like a thymus or blood. Just kidding, everyone knows what a thymus is. Anyway, what most of these organs have in common is that a lot of them have lymphocytes, or white blood cells fighting off bacteria. Let's talk about the lymphocytes known as B cells and T cells. The B cells are grown in bone marrow, and their job is to produce antibodies. They can be found in all these places and more. The B cells are covered in about 10,000 little proteins referred to as membrane-bound antibodies. The antibodies with the right DNA will be able to bind with pathogens. Sometimes a helper T cell is needed to aid in this process. The B cell bound to the pathogen will then copy itself by dividing, not the kind you do with a calculator. Now we either have memory cells or plasma cells. Memory cells just hang around to kill the same pathogens if they come back. It's pretty unlikely for you to get sick with the same thing twice because there's more cells that can bond with that exact pathogen. Plasma cells are the cool ones. They just start shooting out tons of antibodies that attach to pathogens, which makes their life way harder. Imagine trying to follow through with your evil plans when you have this big thing hanging off your back. It's kind of inconvenient. It'll make cell infiltration a whole lot harder for pathogens. It also is assigned to things called phagocytes to know who they should eat first. Helper T cells basically are just there to assist B cells and other T cells in functioning. It's a cell that tells all the other cells what to do. It also tells B cells if they should become a memory or a plasma cell. I wonder if B cells ever get annoyed by being bossed around by them all the time. Overall, the immune system has bloodthirsty cells all over the place to catch and kill pathogens just to keep you safe. So the next time you have an allergic reaction to your friend's cat, you can thank your immune system. Peace out.